Oh, this is Bobby. Sorry, this is Bobby at Copal TV Repair with a functionality proof for mainboard for LG 60PB5600-UA. This is the board. It came with a totally missing HDMI 1, I believe, is this HDMI 1 port. It has been replaced. I don't know how well you can see, but this was a patch. We did not have the exact same HDMI port, so we had to solder it on the sides. Luckily, when it fell off, it didn't affect the main processor, as sometimes happen. And we're testing it in a totally different TV, as you can tell. The original main board is up there. You can see other videos of ours. And on the original main board, that same HDMI port, you can see, is also missing. We have to fix that. But this is our board. Usually when it fails, or if the board gets struck by lightning, the original main processor falls, and this is a harder replacement procedure. But anyhow, this video is for this particular board. Hopefully that stamp there is unique. We're about to write today's date for the customer as soon as we complete testing. Now let me show, of course, that it actually does work. As you can see, the whole setup is a little, not a little, but quite a little handy. So we have the HDMI media player that is outputting signal to the whole thing. Okay, this is it. And ugly as it is, it's actually faster and easier to test, which is the ultimate goal. So this HDMI is working now. Board is ready. It's not rocket science indeed, but it's a relatively delicate procedure because of the location, and because not of the location, because of the type of this HDMI connector. It is raised, and because we had to use a patch here, a slightly different connector. This one came from we're still sourcing those ones that we can do and replace directly. This one gets a little out of the board itself, as you can see, where the original one is exactly on the edge. That should not be a problem, but if the height is not exact match, you may have to cut a little opening in the plastic that goes on the outside of the board, the little black cover there. And that is all. It's going to be working other than that, and you're going to be good. Thank you very much.